discussing that magnetic field. Alright. Today we will discuss left hand rule. Left hand rule. According to this rule, in the forefinger second finger and thumb of left hand are stretched in such a way with the forefinger, second finger and thumb of left hand are stretched in such a way that they are mutual. They are mutually perpendicular. They are mutually perpendicular to each other. In such a way that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger, this is the forefinger. If the forefinger forefinger also called as the index finger. This one. Shows magnetic field this middle finger shows the velocity of particle, then thumb will show the motion. Alright, this is the left hand, and according to this left hand rule, if the forefinger, or this is called also index finger, forefinger is also called index finger. This forefinger, this is called index finger. and second finger and thumb. Look, they are mutually perpendicular to each other, like this. It is X, Y and Z. These are mutually perpendicular to each other. So similarly here, they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Alright. इस rule में you can turn it from here also, but you cannot move like this. No, you cannot change. ये ऐसे ही रखना है, इसी को रख करके ऐसे घुमाना है अपनी सुविधा के अनुसार. इसको ऐसे मोड़ लिए, इसको ऐसे कर दिए, इसको ऐसे कर दिए. This is not plan. If you do, the rule will be invalid. So the forefinger will show the index finger. This middle finger will show the velocity of the particle. You know that we have studied F is equal to BQV. Alright? B. This is magnetic field. This is velocity, and this will show the motion. So this is the rule. One thing is here that this is the 3-dimension. How can I show the 3-dimension in the board? The physicist has also rule. Look here. So इसको याद कर लेना है. The forefinger, second finger and thumb. This is very important, right from the class 10 to 12 or everywhere in the part of the physics. So you have to see here. This forefinger, index finger, all these things are here. इसको याद कर लेना है. Let us see. Look here. In board, this is the 2-dimension. Alright. All of you know that it is the x-axis and this is y-axis. But अगर हमको फिजिक्स में दिखाना हो, then how is it possible? Suppose for इस तीनों में से कोई भी, if I have to show coming from the board, ऐसे मेरी ओर आ रहा है, outside. जिसको किताब एग्जामिनेशन में will face that out of the page into the page. तो यहाँ मैं out of the board बोलूँगा, but in the examination there will be into the page and out of the page. So if there is a symbol like this, so this symbol shows that out of the page. This symbol out of the page. अरे ये third direction होगा ना, x, y and this 3-dimension like this. तो अगर ये ऐसे है तो we have to represent this. अगर ये ऐसे हैं into the page, then we have to see another page out of the page. और यहाँ बोर्ड बोल देंगे. और अगर ऐसा है तो into the page. So we have the facility also to show this thing into 3-dimension. So देखो ये बना कैसा था, बना कैसा. Suppose this is an arrow. This is an arrow. ये तो ये arrow ऐसे आ रहा है मेरी तरफ, like this. So we can see this dot. If the arrow is coming from far away, so we will see only the dot position. So like this. So it is coming from here. So this is called out of the page. और इसको देखो, ये सुंदर सा धनुष है. चलो इसको ऐसे करके ना, ऐसे करके तो this figure shows the into the page. So we have the facility that whether out of these trees into the page or out of the page. So remember this symbol, out of the page and into the page. Definitely these questions are asked both in class 10th and 12th. They all the time. These are 1 marks, but it has importance. Alright. So here it is. So now I am giving you questions. Alright. Suppose if you are asked in a examination that the direction of magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field is from south to north, south to north. Yes, from south to north, from south to north. And the velocity of particle is outwards. The velocity of particle, charge particle, is outward. In which direction the particle will turn. चलो इसको हम लोग बनाते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड. यही क्वेश्चन में जरूरी नहीं है, बट सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड इन एग्जामिनेशन डेफिनेटली. Look here. First, the direction of magnetic field is from south to north. Alright. East to west. North south. तो देखो, the direction is magnetic from south to north. Alright. ये south to north हमने देखा. This is. ठीक है, ये चीज है ऐसा हमने रखा. This shows what? This shows how what? Direction of magnetic field lines. And the velocity, what does it represent? Velocity. So this turn will show the velocity. Look here. How do we figure? We do not change the direction. It is not allowed. You have to keep always, you can move like this and like this, but don't do like this. So, the direction of magnetic field is from south to north. It is south to north. And the velocity of charged particle, look here, it is outwards. And what is this? My finger. मोशन. सो लुक हियर, कैसे जाएगा ये डायरेक्शन आउटवर्ड है और ये टर्न कैसे करेगा? वेस्ट की तरफ. ये ऐसा निकला और ये ऐसे टर्न करेगा वेस्ट की तरफ, है ना? ऐसे ये देखो साउथ टू नॉर्थ, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस लाइक दिस. वेलोसिटी ऑफ चार्ज पार्टिकल इज आउटवर्ड्स. मैंने ऐसे आउटवर्ड्स रखा, ऐसे रखा, और दिस वेस्ट. ये इधर मुड़ गया. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द चार्ज पार्टिकल विल टर्न टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट. ये एकदम पक्का याद रखना है. एग्जामिनेशन में शर्माना नहीं है कि हम ऐसे कर दिए तो कोई क्या हंसेगा नहीं. डोंट बी केयर वाला. हमको ऐसे रख करके ही करना है और हमारा सवाल अगर इसको शर्माएं गया तो प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस इज द थिंग. ऐसा हम लोग बहुत क्वेश्चन देखेंगे हम लोग. But in all the way, you have to move like this. All right. Now let us see here. हमने पढ़ा magnetic field. How can we draw the mapping of magnetic field lines? Mapping or plotting, whatever you say. मैपिंग और प्लॉटिंग, कुछ भी बोलो या प्लॉटिंग और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. सो देयर आर टू मेथड्स. is by using compass. Magnetic needle by using compass. And second is by using iron filings. Iron filings का मतलब लोहा का छोटा छोटा कतरन होता है. When you cut the iron, you will see that some pieces of small pieces of iron are coming out. And that is iron filings. In laboratory there is like. So first we have to see that mapping of magnetic field lines first by using compass. Compass के विषय में हमने बता चुका है. What is this? So first we have to take the required apparatus. What is the required apparatus? That is, first, what is the name of the experiment? You have to write name of the experiment like this, and then after principle, theory, whatever you like to say, we have to define what is the magnetic field. We have to write the definition of magnetic field lines. And second is that working. This is required apparatus. Required apparatus में क्या लेना है? आपने ड्राइंग टेबल देखा होगा. There is drawing table. Alright. There is a compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. And there is white sheet. चलो मैं इसको it is bar magnet. चलिए इसका एक हम प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं. First of all, generally when we check the copy, we see the answer, take the drawing board or see these things. This is not correct way of expressions. We should write a drawing board is taken. It should be written in the past place. When we write in working, some maximum time we have seen that a drawing board, take a drawing board, we take a drawing board, we तो चलेगा भी थोड़ा सा, but take a drawing board is not correct. Better to say a drawing board is taken. Suppose इस तरह का drawing board है, this is the drawing board, alright, and a white sheet paper is pasted with the help of thumbing. आपको उसमें रिकॉर्ड apparatus में thumbing भी लिख लीजिएगा. ऐसा चौड़ा होता है. ऐसा चौड़ा होता है. So a white sheet paper is fixed with the help of thumbing. Right? Now, but yes, that what do you call bar magnet is placed here. Here bar magnet. It is the bar magnet. Suppose here it is the north and here it is the south. A bar magnet is placed like this. Suppose karo this is the drawing. This is the drawing. And it is bar magnet. It is not bar magnet. Think about it. It is bar magnet. Alright. So we place a bar magnet is placed on it, and an outline is drawn. Outline is drawn like this. We keep this finger here and like this. Like this. Look here. Alright. So this type of outline, this is what outline is drawn. When the outline is drawn, because we have to show the mapping, so that way outline is drawn here. If it is displaced from either, you can replace here. Now, a magnetic needle, मैं अब इसको हटा देता हूँ, ज़्यादा संक्षेप में समझाने। This is paper. Suppose this is but keep this thing that this bar magnet is placed on a white sheet. Now, मैं इसको थोड़ा और बढ़ाऊँगा। चलो, this is bar magnet. Here it is. Alright. Now, a magnetic compass. You know the magnetic compass there is. Alright. मैंने बनाया था like this, like this, like this. This is north, this is south. It is fixed like this. Yeah. It is free to rotate about an axis. Alright. It is free to rotate and it is circumscribed with a glass wire so that it should not be affected by the wind or things like that. Alright. तो अब मैंने क्या किया? Suppose मैंने यहाँ से लाना शुरू कर दिया. Alright. There is no effect in the leaps of magnetic compass. यहाँ मैंने लाया. There is no effect. Suppose मैंने यहाँ लाया. Here it is. Here it is. What is this here? This is, here it is south. And here it is north, because there happens the repulsion in the same pole. फिर मैंने इसको ऐसे लाया, फिर ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड करके लाया, यहाँ लाया, यहाँ लाया, फिर मैंने यहाँ लाया, फिर इस तरीके से alright, we also like this. So if you connect it, you will get this way. The same way you can hear. ऐसा हम बहुत सारा खींच सकते हैं। Alright. So, what do? We take a drawing board. On the drawing board, paper is fixed with the help of thumb pin, and on the paper a bar magnet is placed in the keeping north-south direction. Now a magnetic compass is brought nearer to it. If there happens deflection in the magnetic needle, we suppose that magnetic field lines by trial and error method. यहाँ पर आया तुमने देखा नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पर आया थोड़ा सा हो गया, फिर थोड़ा हमने पीछे किया देखा कि अब यहाँ है, थोड़ा और पीछे किया, तो we find out the position, the really from where there happens the deflections, and that point is the range of the magnetic field, right? So we keep here, there happens the deflection, once again like this, like this, like this, like this. We see that this magnetic field lines is what? Curve. मैंने बात किया था ना शुरू में, क्या मैंने बोला था कि there is a current and this current develops a magnetic field lines. How can we show that? I have told you that if a charged particle is thrown with this velocity, we see that here it is turn, makes a curve like this. तो यहाँ पर आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा why the magnetic field lines are like this, the curve. कल मैंने बताया था ना, F is equal to BQB, magnetic field line क्या होता है? It is the characteristics of region. It is the characteristics of region by which a moving charge experiences a force perpendicular to the direction of velocity. परपेंडिकुलर लगता है और चेंजेस दिस डायरेक्शन। तो यहाँ पर ऐसा कर्व क्यों हो गया वो हम लोग इफ इज इक्वल टू डी क्यू बी से हम लोग पढ़ते हैं। सो वन सेकंड कर्व हियर दैट दिस compass, magnetic compass is brought nearer to the poles here. You observe that south pole is here because there happens a repulsion in the same pole. ये इधर भाग गया फिर इसी तरह से साउथ नॉर्थ करके चला जाएगा, है ना, इस तरह से। तो we will join this line and trace this line, and we can trace so many lines from here. Keep this thing that they should not intersect. They should not intersect each other. Yes, this is the property I will teach you, that magnetic field lines do not intersect each other, and always these questions are asked. So, if you draw, I think you have seen perhaps in the book that like this is a magnet, this is a magnet, and perhaps book wala has shown like this. ध्यान देना है। ठीक है, we'll discuss. So ये मैंने कर किया और इसके बाद जो हमारा फिगर मिला like this. So this is the magnetic field lines. This is a hypothetical. We will discuss. What are the characteristics? एकदम सभी important. मुझे लगता होगा कि अगले क्वेश्चन का आंसर that's important. You cannot neglect any portion of the physics. If you neglect any portion of the physics, that means you are going to create problem for the next topic. So that's why I felt that all these are important. So it starts from north and here like this. Here also like this. Alright. So this is the magnetic field lines and this is the magnetic field. We will discuss. There are also other methods of magnetic field lines by using magnetic compass. Alright, by using magnetic compass. Sorry, iron filings. देखो इसमें करना क्या है, मैं अभी इसको बता दे रहा हूँ सर. Look here. Suppose this is the glass. This is the glass sheet, and here it is, and some iron filings are sprinkled over, and it is observed that nowhere there should be density should be, density should be equally sprinkled. चलो इसके नीचे ऐसा हमने रख दिया, ऐसा नॉर्थ साउथ में ऐसा. Some iron filings are sprinkled over it. अच्छा ऐसा. So some iron filings are sprinkled over it. Now it is gently tapped. ऐसा नहीं, लोकस बना देंगे, ऐसा नहीं. It is gently tapped. When it is gently tapped, it is observed that iron filings arrange themselves in the pattern of concentric circle. So we will discuss it next topic. Thank you.